Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain. It uses cryptography for security. This means that transactions are encrypted and highly secure, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized parties to alter the data. This makes it very difficult to counterfeit. The decentralized nature of blockchain also means that no single entity controls the entire network, adding an extra layer of security. Imagine it as virtual cash that you can use to buy things online. You can purchase goods and services, transfer money to friends and family, or even invest in other digital assets. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular. With the rise of Bitcoin and other digital currencies, more people are exploring this new financial frontier. More and more businesses are starting to accept them as payment. From online retailers to local coffee shops, the adoption of cryptocurrency is growing. This essay will guide you on how to succeed with cryptocurrency. We will cover the basics, as well as advanced strategies to help you navigate this complex world. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this essay has something for you. We will start with the fundamentals, such as how to set up a digital wallet and make your first transaction. We will provide expert tips and insights. Learn from industry leaders and financial experts who have successfully navigated the cryptocurrency market. We will break down complex concepts into simple language. Understand how blockchain technology works, the role of miners, and the importance of security in the crypto space. Get ready to unlock the secrets of crypto success. By the end of this essay, you will have a solid understanding of cryptocurrency and be well equipped to make informed decisions in this exciting new world. Before you dive into the world of cryptocurrency, it is crucial to understand the fundamentals. What is Bitcoin? How does it work? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without a central authority or banks. It uses peer-to-peer technology to facilitate instant payments. Understanding how Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain is essential. Take the time to learn about different types of cryptocurrencies. Besides Bitcoin, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and uses. For example, Ethereum is known for its smart contract functionality, while Ripple focuses on facilitating real-time cross-border payments. Researching these different cryptocurrencies will give you a broader understanding of the crypto market. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like market capitalization, trading volume, and blockchain technology. Market capitalization helps you understand the size and value of a cryptocurrency, while trading volume indicates the activity and liquidity of the market. Blockchain technology, the backbone of most cryptocurrencies, is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. There are many resources available online and offline. You can read books, watch videos, and take online courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Additionally, YouTube channels and podcasts dedicated to crypto can provide valuable insights and updates. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions. Joining online forums and communities, such as Reddit and Bitcoin Talk, can also be beneficial. These platforms allow you to engage with other enthusiasts, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest trends and news in the crypto world. Remember, knowledge is your greatest asset in the crypto space. Staying informed and continuously learning will help you navigate the volatile and ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrencies. It's also important to stay updated on regulatory changes and security practices to protect your investments.
So, where should I start if I want to learn more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Begin by exploring reputable sources and educational platforms. Start with the basics and gradually delve deeper into more complex topics as you become more comfortable. If I want to learn more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, remember, the journey of learning about cryptocurrencies is ongoing. Stay curious, stay informed, and always be open to new information and perspectives.
Blockchain is the technology that powers cryptocurrencies. It is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Think of it as a public record book that cannot be tampered with. Each transaction is verified and added to a block. These blocks are then linked together in chronological order, forming a chain. Blockchain ensures transparency, security, and immutability, making it a revolutionary technology. To navigate the crypto market effectively, you need the right tools. These tools not only help you make informed decisions, but also ensure that your investments are secure and well managed. Let's dive into some of the essential tools every crypto enthusiast should have in their arsenal. A cryptocurrency exchange allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. These platforms are the gateway to the crypto world, providing access to a wide range of digital assets. Popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken offer user-friendly interfaces and robust security features to protect your transactions. A digital wallet is essential for storing your crypto assets securely. There are different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are considered the most secure as they store your private keys offline, away from potential online threats. Consider using a portfolio tracker to monitor your investments. These tools help you keep track of your holdings, performance, and market value in real time. Apps like Blockfolio and Delta provide detailed analytics and alerts, ensuring you never miss an important market movement. Stay updated on market news and trends through reputable cryptocurrency websites and forums. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and forums like Reddit's R Cryptocurrency offer valuable insights, news, and community discussions that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Remember to choose tools from reputable providers and prioritize security. Always enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Security should be your top priority to protect your investments from potential threats.
Yeah, having the right tools really makes a difference. They not only streamline your trading experience, but also provide peace of mind knowing your assets are secure. I always make sure to use a reliable exchange and keep my digital wallet secure. It's all about being prepared and staying informed in this fast-paced market.
Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency world.
Choose a strong and unique password for your exchange accounts and wallets. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for an extra layer of protection.
Be cautious of phishing scams and avoid clicking on suspicious links.
Store your private keys offline in a hardware wallet. This is the most secure way to protect your cryptocurrencies from hackers.
Remember, your crypto assets are only as safe as the measures you take to protect them. Diversification is a key principle in any investment strategy, and cryptocurrency is no exception. Instead of putting all your money into one cryptocurrency, spread your investments across multiple assets. Consider investing in different sectors within the crypto market. For example, you could invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few promising altcoins. Diversification helps to mitigate risk. If one cryptocurrency performs poorly, the others can cushion the impact. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. The market can fluctuate wildly, which can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. It is essential to understand that volatility is a natural part of the crypto market.
Don't panic sell when prices drop. Instead, have a long-term investment strategy.
Consider using dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. This can help to average out the price fluctuations over time.
Unfortunately, the cryptocurrency world is not without its share of scams. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and promises of guaranteed returns. Do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or ICO. Avoid sharing your private keys with anyone. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. By being vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself from falling victim to scams.
Cryptocurrency is more than just an investment. It has the potential to revolutionize the financial system as we know it. Decentralization, transparency, and security are at the heart of this revolution. Cryptocurrency empowers individuals by giving them more control over their finances. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the future of cryptocurrency is bright.
The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. What is true today might not be true tomorrow. Embrace the learning process and stay curious. Attend conferences, join online communities, and engage in discussions. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to navigate the ever-changing crypto landscape. Remember, success in the crypto world requires continuous learning and adaptation.
Cryptocurrency offers a world of opportunities for those who are willing to embrace it. By understanding the fundamentals, following expert tips, and staying informed, you can unlock your crypto potential. Remember to approach cryptocurrency with a long-term perspective, manage your risks wisely, and never stop learning. The future of finance is decentralized, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. Embrace the possibilities and embark on your crypto journey today.